This is Mama Mish. Today in the Magic Kitchen, we're making tacos and salsa chicken for shredded chicken tacos. Our secret ingredient is our homemade taco seasoning. You'll never wish you were in Tijuana eating barbecued iguana. Tex-Mex is the Mexican food most Americans my age grew up eating. Hard corn taco shells, store-bought taco seasoning and ground beef, shredded lettuce, tomatoes, shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese, salsa, and sour cream. Now this is not Mexican street food, this is Tex-Mex. Authentic Mexican food is newer to my palate, although I've been enjoying it for over a decade. I didn't grow up knowing it. I love them both. I love all Mexican foods. It is one of the most flavorful and fun cuisines on the planet. I could eat it every other day because I still need to get my Mediterranean and Asian foods in too. What can I tell you? I love to eat. Taco Tuesday has been a favorite food night for kids all over America when whoever came up with the marketing idea introduced it. Our Tiddly peeps are no different. It doesn't matter what night of the week it actually falls on. If we have Taco Tuesday, everybody is happy. Yaya Taco will be out soon. Make your kitchen happy with Mama Mish. And please like, follow, subscribe on all our socials. Hell yeah.